Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the housing of your Dyson V8, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your vacuum and removing the dust canister. This will give you better access to the housing screws. Next, locate the 4 T15 screws that hold the housing in place, which can be found on the back and sides of the device. Carefully use your T15 screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the housing away from the vacuum body. Be cautious, as there may be some resistance due to the clips that secure it. Now, if you notice any dust or debris inside the vacuum, this is a great time to clean it. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the internal components and ensure everything is free from obstructions. Regular maintenance can significantly enhance your vacuum's performance. Next, retrieve your new housing. Before attaching it, double-check that it aligns correctly with the vacuum's internal components. If you don't have the tools for this job or prefer expert assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, position the new housing onto the vacuum body, ensuring that all clips snap into place securely. Once the housing is in position, take your T15 screws and reinsert them into their respective holes. Tighten them gently but securely to ensure the housing is firmly attached. Remember, if you'd like to avoid the hassle of tools, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your Dyson serviced without any travel or calls. After securing all screws, double-check that everything is in place. Make sure there are no gaps between the housing and the vacuum body. To conclude this process, plug in your Dyson V8 and perform a quick check to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you understand the costs involved before proceeding with any additional work. With that, you've successfully replaced the housing of your Dyson V8. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your vacuum significantly, keeping it in optimal working condition for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.